আসসালামু আলাইকুম। অনলাইন ক্লাস সমাজপুর হাই স্কুল কুকসা কুষ্টিয়া। Dear student, how are you? I hope you are well. I am also fine. Dear student, today I will be discuss class 9 English second part, transformation of sentence, especially simple, complex and compound. Simple, complex, compound. This class, previous class related class number 2, simple, complex and compound. Already I was discussed previous class what is simple, what is complex, what is compound. That's in simple, complex and compound definition. Now I will discuss simple to complex, simple to compound changing. Okay, everybody ready? One sentence. Student should read book to gain knowledge. Student should read book to gain knowledge. This is a sentence. At first, you should know what is the name of sentence. This sentence name simple. How student can be understand? This is a question. Any sentence simple. One subject, follow one subject and one verb. Look at the whiteboard. 2 plus verb. 2 plus verb. It's simple. Instruction. And student should read. Should plus V1 verb. Now it will be changed. Suppose complex. At first, how we can change the sentence complex? This sentence simple sentence. Student subject and read book. Then second clause to gain knowledge. Rules. Two plus verb, it will be same. 2 plus verb change. Complex. So প্লাস প্রথম সাবজেক্ট, দ্যাটস মিন ফার্স্ট সাবজেক্ট, সেকেন্ড সাবজেক্ট প্লাস plus extension. Okay. Answer. First subject student. Suppose students should read book. Students should read book. Remarkable data to gain. To plus verb infinitive. To change. Follow the rule. So that. Plus first clause subject students pronoun they. First clause should read would gain knowledge. This sentence already says first simple to complex. Headline follow simple to complex. Dear student, at first identify what is simple and simple sentence structure. Simple sentence, just one subject and one finite verb. This is a sentence, it's simple sentence. And change rules. To plus verb, change so that. And first clause subject students, pronoun they. And first clause should read. Should, shall, should, may, might, should, would, past form. So it's could, past form. Could plus V1, gain. Could plus V1. Gain extension knowledge. Student, I hope understand this sentence. Class 9 student, transformation of sentence, especially simple, complex and compound, very important. And new sentence, because 8, 7, 6 level, assertive, interrogative, negative, those sentence available, known, but simple, complex and compound 9 and 10 level including. So student, be alert this sentence. To plus verb, change, complex, first clause, to plus gain, plus verb. To change so that. And first clause subject. Follow the first clause subject. First clause subject students. Pronoun they. And first clause verb past. So use could. And could plus V1 gain. Knowledge. Gain knowledge. So student maybe understand. Next sentence. Now, bracket sense. Simple to compound. Simple to compound. And look at the whiteboard. Compound. Structure. Movement has no sense. Compound and complex. Only change. Conjunction. Very carefully listen. Structure no sense because simple sentence complex sentence and compound sentence structure same, but simple sentence structure different. Simple sentence suppose one subject, one verb, but complex and compound structure no sense. Only sense conjunction. Example, answer. Student. Students should read book. To change and. This is a simple sentence. Change will be compound. Two subject and two verb, one conjunction. Conjunction name and. Second clause subject select. Subject. Student. They. Verb select. Past. Food. Gain. Knowledge. Student, when any sentence complex to compound, then only should follow conjunction. If you identify the conjunction, you will be sense available complex to compound. So follow the sentence and answer. Student should read book to change and first clause subject, second clause select subject because compound sentence need two subject. Simple sentence only one subject. Complex or compound sentence must be two subject. Two subject, 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 second clause subject, verb, second clause, first clause, both side maintain. Student, follow the sentence. Maybe understand. I hope my lecture. Dear student, simple, complex, and compound. Only follow the structure. Simple sentence, one subject and one finite verb. Complex sentence, two subject and two finite verb. Compound sentence, two subject and two finite verb. But distance, complex and compound distance, only conjunction distance. Look, and student know that and, but, if, or, not only but also etc. available use compound sentence, and complex sentence since, as, when, though, if, etc. So structure very carefully follow. 2 plus verb equal to and. Only follow 2 for since and. Okay student, maybe understand simple, complex and compound. Next sentence. By reading more. Student, this is the sentence. At first question, what is the name of sentence? What is the name of sentence? How student can understand? Suppose by plus ing, by plus ing. Simple. One subject and one verb. This sentence says complex. Suppose complex. Simple sentence, we can see that only one subject. Now since two subject and two verb, second subject you, that means second clause follow the first clause, and by plus ing since. Student, by plus ing change If you read more, you will shine in life. Dear student, structure, subject, verb and verb. By plus ing change e plus positive. Look, if you know these rules, you will very easy and comfortable feel this sentence. Student, when any change, especially simple, complex and compound, should follow structure and conjunction. If you follow the structure and conjunction, then you very easily complete this sentence. This sentence, any problem? Maybe no problem at all. Only follow simple headline, simple to complex. This sentence, simple sentence, and same complex sentence. Simple sentence structure and complex sentence structure. Complex sentence structure, look at the bold word, bold word. Okay, maybe understand, student. These topics, any question, you will be you will be fully understand this sentence. Any complaint, you will call me. Student maybe know my mobile number. Dear student, today's simple, complex and compound, two important rules maybe understand, and student stay home. Our online class already long time ago start. Student, next class others important rules, especially simple, complex and compound. Homework, change to simple, complex, compound, y plus ing, e plus positive and 2 plus verb, and so that. It's homework. I hope student understand. Thank you.